So you have to divide x to the power 4 plus 1 with x minus 1. But here all the terms are not present. So we have to write all those terms. So x to the power 4, the remaining all powers of power is 4. That means here 3, 2, 1, 0. Everything we have to write with coefficient 0 because those terms are not present there. So it is 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x, and then the last term is there plus 1. So we have to write the px value in this form. X to the power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 1. And now start dividing. So first quotient will be
X cube.
x cube, right? X cube into x will be x to the power 4. X cube into minus 1, it is minus x cube. Subtract, sign will change. These two get cancelled. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. So it is plus x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 1. So next quotient,
X square.
x square. So x square into x will come x cube. X square into minus 1 minus x square. Then subtract, minus. This minus will become plus. Now 0 plus 1 will be plus 1 x square. This get cancelled. Answer is 0. Now x square plus 0x plus 1. Now next quotient,
Plus X.
plus x. So it is x square. X into x is x square. X into minus 1 minus x. Minus, sign will change. This becomes 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. X plus 1. Now quotient,
1.
it's 1. 1 is the quotient. So 1 into x, x. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Subtract, minus, this is plus. X minus x, 0. 1 plus 1, remainder is 2. Now further we cannot divide. So quotient you got as x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and the remainder is 2. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so whenever there is
Yes.
Without doing 0x cube, 0x square also we can do.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if you don't take then also okay, but it will become easier.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so whenever there's like this question, you have to first take the parts in decreasing order and then do it.
Yes, always. In all long divisions, you have to take the powers in decreasing order and then you have to divide it.
Okay, ma'am.
It will make your division easier. Okay. Any other doubts?
Ma'am,
Where you have
first one.
20,
Fourth question. 24.
24th first question. So it is directly long division method you have to do.
Okay. In the middle,
First find out. It is not normal factorization. You have to first find out the hit and trial method. One value of x you have to calculate.
Okay, ma'am.
So you have solved the 2.4 last question, if you remember. Do you remember that?
2.4, ma'am.
Yeah, NCRT 2.4.
Yes, ma'am.
So here hit and trial method. First find out one of the 0 of this polynomial. So substitute x is equal to plus 1 or minus 1 or 2 minus 2, anything, and then 3 minus 3. So you have to keep on checking. Just check with first 1. So substitute x value as 1. So it will become 2 into 1 is 2, minus 3, minus 17 plus 30. Is it possible? Minus 1? No, it's not possible. X is equal to 1? Not possible. Then x is equal to minus 1, check out. 2 into minus 1 cube, 3 into minus 1 square, minus 17 into minus 1 plus 30. So it's -1. -1 cube is
-1.
-1 into 2, -2. -1 square,
1.
1 into -3,
-3.
-3. 17 into -1,
17 plus
plus
17.
17 plus 30. So this will also, you're not getting 0 answer. So x is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 17 into 2 plus 30. So 2 cube is 8. 8 into 2, 16. 2 square is 4. 3s are 12. Minus 34 plus 30. 16 minus 12 is 4. Minus 34 plus 30 minus 4. So answer is 0. That means x is equal to 2 is a 0 of px. So what is
Yes.
the factor then? X is equal to 2 is a 0. So what is the factor?
X minus 2.
It is x minus 2. Now divide the polynomial with x minus 2.
Okay, ma'am.
Long division. 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. Divide with x minus 2. So quotient is 2x square. So it is 2x cube minus 4x square. Minus minus plus. This get cancelled. This is plus x square minus 17x plus 30. So plus x is the quotient. So x square minus 2x, subtraction minus, this is plus. So minus 15x plus 30. What is the quotient? Quotient will be, yes Tejasvi, what's the quotient next?
Ma'am, my minus 15x by
By x, minus 15x is needed. So minus 15x by x. So it is,
minus 15.
so minus 15 into x is minus 15x. Minus 15 into minus 2 is
30 plus 30.
plus 30. Subtract minus plus minus. Minus 15 plus 15 0. Plus 30 minus 30 0. So it is 0. So you got the quotient as 2x.
2x plus x minus 15.
Now you have to factorize it. So what is the product needed?
Minus 30
Minus 30. What is the difference needed?
plus 1.
Plus 1. So what are the numbers?
6 5s are 30.
6 5s are 30. So 2x square plus 6 or minus 6?
Plus 6 minus 5.
Yes, right? So factorize it. 2x into bracket x plus 3 minus 5 into bracket x plus 3. So 2x minus 5 and x plus 3. So what are all the factors are? One factor you already got, that is x minus 2, with which you are dividing.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
x plus 3 and the next one is 2x minus 5. So these are the three factors.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
This, yes.
ma'am, fourth question, second part.
Fourth question,
Ma'am,
second.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. Let whoever not done, let them write.
Ma'am, because in that question they told that you should find
Yes.
in that they told that we should find the power of x square, but in that question there is no x square. So how is
So
that
0.
0?
0. Nothing is there, that means 0.
Oh,
Which question? Fourth one?
second part.
Second question, yes. X square is not there. That means we can write as 0x square.
Okay.
So it is 0 is the quotient.
Ma'am, I wrote there is no x square.
No, you have to write as 0. If there is x square term is not there, that means the coefficient will be 0 in that case. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Ankita, you were asking some question whose values you got wrong. Which question is that? Ankita, are you there?
Ma'am,
Yes. You told one
23rd,
question. 23rd?
yeah, 23rd, fourth question.
23rd, fourth question. Factorization.
Yeah, the fourth part. That's it.
Tejasvi got it? This one, this question, 24th, first one.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
So you have to factorize it. So here first write it in a proper order, because we always has to write before factorization. We have to always write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is not in that order. So first you have to write that in a proper order. So it will become minus 2r square minus 2r plus 84. And now what is the product needed?
84
84.
into 2.
Minus 2 into 84. This 2 has a sign minus. So minus 2 into 84 is a product needed. So it is a negative product. So difference of two terms should be minus 2. So now find out this. So minus 2, 84 can be written as 21 into 4. 21 is written as 7 into 3 into 4. 7 2s are 14, 3 4s are 12. 14 and 12. So larger number should have the middle term sign. Middle term sign is negative. So larger of these two numbers, 14 and 12, 14 is larger number. So it is minus and this is plus. So minus 2r square minus 14r plus 12r plus 84. And then factorize. Take minus 2r common. So it is r plus 7 because we have taken minus common. Then here plus 12 into r plus 7. So r plus 7 is one factor, minus 2r plus 12 is another factor. But from this again 2 we can take common. So it is 2 into bracket minus r plus 6 and r plus 7. So 2 into r plus 7 into, this is in proper order, 6 minus r. Clear? Is this clear, Ankita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, can you show the answer for the fourth question, third and fourth part?
What happened in that now? I told you at the other side. What is you got? Tell me. First one, fourth, first one.
Ma'am, for the fourth one, first one I got 1,
Okay, second one,
0.
0. Third one,
Ma'am, I got 5.
oh, 5.
Ma'am, because I solved both the
Yeah, you
brackets.
have to solve the brackets. Yes, in both the cases, you have to solve the brackets first. So it is, what is the this in product you have written first? Tell me. X
Ma'am,
minus 1 into 3x minus 4. Is this the question?
uh, yes, ma'am.
Then start multiplying. Tell me one by one step.
Ma'am, first I got 3x squared
Right?
minus 4x
Right?
minus 3x
Yes, right?
plus 4.
Plus 4, right? Then add them.
Okay, okay.
So 3x square minus 7x you will get. 3x square minus 7x plus 4 is the answer. So what is this one in that? Coefficient of x square is
3.
3.
Okay,
Or we have
okay.
written 5.
Okay, I did a mistake.
And the next one?
Ma'am, for the next one,
10, 16. Yes.
ma'am, can you just tell what's the question, because that book is not with me in which I read.
Okay. Is 2x minus 5
Okay.
into 2x square minus 3x plus 1.
So first we should solve the second bracket.
Both the brackets. No need to solve. Multiply them.
Okay, ma'am.
First multiply and then find out the x square coefficient.
Ma'am, for the first bracket you will get 4x square
4x
minus,
cube. 4x cube.
okay, yeah, 4x cube minus
Yes.
6x square
6x square.
plus
Faster,
2x
faster. Plus 2x.
plus 2x. And then for the second bracket, it is minus 10x square
Yes, right.
plus 15x plus 5. So
Minus
10.
5. Minus 5.
Okay, yeah, minus 5. So for x square, it is minus 10.
No,
And
x square. Both you are adding up. No. So like terms you add up.
okay,
All the like terms add up. You will get minus 16x square.
yes, ma'am.
So minus 16 is a coefficient.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubts you have till 25? Till 25, have you any doubt? No doubts. Then start solving from 26 onwards. Are you able to see? Are you able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Then start solving. Start solving from 26 onwards. Now. Today you have to finish this. Switch on your videos.